Hi YouTube, what's going on? Now this video comes following the fact that a whole lot is happening online as far as the Sora is concerned. So for those of you who don't know, the Sora technology is actually a new technology that is used in creating videos online. It is used to create AI videos online, okay? And this Sora technology is coming from the OpenAI. Now, what makes it trend online is the fact that using of this application is on invite only. So even if you get the application installed, somebody has to give you the invitation code before you can be able to access the application. Okay. Now, for the fact that it is invite only, there is a trap. All right, there is a trap, and that is what we're going to be talking about in this video.
Okay.
Now,
just
I need to know,
find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like this, you're gonna come right on your inbox.
Okay? This video. Now, I need to know that for the fact that this is trending online, most people are going crazy about it. People are ready to do whatever it takes to get the code. Okay. Now, for the fact that people are ready to do whatever it takes to get the code, some other scammers, or I would say looters, are coming in. Okay. Now, I've seen people who lost a whole lot of money from online recently because they are trying to get the code. Now, I need to know that getting of the Sora code is absolutely free, just in case you apply to be whitelisted, and code to be given to you through the Sora website itself. Okay, and then there are other platforms where you could get the code, like on Reddit. But please kindly note that getting of the code after payment is not safe. Okay, you could send your money and then they give you the code, and then they will tell you, hey, we overshared the code and it may not work for you, and that is how you lose your money. Okay, I've seen people who lost good amount of money from online because they are trying to pay for some code which may not work. Okay, so please, right now, Sora is rolling out this application and it's going to be available for most countries and almost everybody, but for the moment it is on invite only, and you only have to get the code for free. If you're not getting the code for free, just forget about this whole thing. Do not invest any money. Okay, I already told you you can go over to the Sora website itself and apply to be whitelisted. Once you're whitelisted, the code will be given to you and then you can use the application. Okay, so that is the update for today, because we don't want people to lose money online. All right, okay, so bye bye and stay safe.